Both Austin and myself taught ourselves how to trade crypto. Both of us were trading equities back in the day, and we learned. Sorry, I'm just going to cough. Excuse me. No fever, no loss of taste. So just a dry cough. Don't worry, I'm still very healthy. So yeah, Austin and I both taught ourselves how to trade, right? And Austin is very disciplined, and he spent hundreds of hours developing a thesis around each one of these specific tokens. And so he was actually able to develop a thesis, and he thought, you know what, this token is absolutely terrible right now, but what they're doing is really, really going to change the world of crypto and finance and DeFi. And so he taught himself how to trade crypto. And in doing that, he spent hundreds and hundreds of hours on YouTube, on Twitter, on Telegram, on TradingView. And there was really no way of knowing, the guy that makes a lot of noise on Twitter or on YouTube might be good at making noise, but might not be a good trader. So how do you know that guy or gal is actually good at trading and someone you should listen to? So there was a lack of transparency. And so Austin and I both were teaching ourselves, and we thought, well, there must be a place where we can go to get like transparent trading advice. And there really wasn't. So the idea for us was to build this as a platform where customers can come on, and the first thing they see, and by the way, we're in beta now, so we're, I think, allowing 100 signups a week. Perhaps our website link can be shared. But basically, the idea for us is that we want to give everyone the same the same way to invest as sophisticated investors do. And what we've seen is that some people are making an absolute killing in this industry, but they have no incentive to share what they're doing with the world around them. So what this is it's a social trading platform that allows customers to find a top trader. Now that top trader might be someone that it's a high returning trader. It might be someone who maybe they're actually not making that much, but they're very consistent. Maybe they only make 1% a month, but they're consistent in delivering that return. That's a great investment for a lot of folks, right? Not everyone wants to make 10,000% a year and take a lot of risk. And so you'll be able to sort by not only return, but consistency, monthly drawdown, what was that trader's worst month, which venue, maybe I only want to look at all the traders on Kraken, for example, which currency, so maybe I only want to look at the top Bitcoin trader. And so the idea for us was to give customers the ability to find a trader that works for them and then copy that trader. So the